Hello gardeners, I'm just here to give you a quick instructional on aphids and how to get rid of them. So let's go ahead. Now what I have here is a bottle of soapy water. So what this does to the aphids is it breaks down their exoskeletons and kills them right away. So what I'm just going to do is spray this on this plant right here. It's got a lot of aphids on it. The praying mantises have been trying to take care of it for me, but haven't been doing the greatest job because they're outnumbered. So here we go. So spray it liberally, get as much on there as you can. I can see all these little aphids right here. They're just cruising around on this plant, eating all the flowers and stuck it on the stems. If this was in a tree, it'd be getting your car all sticky. And that's pretty much it. Just spray it on there, leave it, and they'll die. All right, let's learn together. Smells great too. Check it.